let's focus on West Bengal because it is the festival of Ram Navami, which is tomorrow, and the country is already immersed in the festive spirit of Chaitra Navratri. But preparations are on for Ram Navami celebrations in West Bengal too. But the situation seems to be very different from the rest of the country. Ram Navami that has been shrouded in politics of late, and Mamata Banerjee government, which has imposed strict restrictions in the case, as the TMC government has imposed restrictions on celebrations, citing concerns over law and order. The Ram Navami rallies that would be taking place under strict vigil, with some Hindu groups being denied permission for rallies. BJP in the opposition has accused the TMC government of taking an anti-Hindu stance and yet again to pander to its minority vote bank. Let's tell you how the government is now preparing for Ram Navami. In an official notification, all of the leaves of Bengal police have now been cancelled. The police would be patrolling, that is also taking place in multiple areas that have been identified as sensitive. And the West Bengal police say that patrolling is to ensure that law and order is maintained. Additional CCTVs that have also been installed, and Ram Navami rallies will also be mandatorily photographed and videographed by the police. The RAF, or the Rapid Action Force teams that have also been deployed in several areas of the state. However, the Hindu groups have gone ahead to complain that the permission for rallies have still been denied by the TMC-led government. The Havra police has denied permission to Anjani Putra Sena to hold Ram Navami Shobha Yatra, citing that last year permission was not granted to hold the rally as communal violence broke out during Ram Navami Shobha Yatra rally in 2022 and 2023 on the same route. However, the High Court has now stepped in and has cleared way for Ram Navami Yatras and Shobha Yatras of the BJP to be held. However, this has not stopped the BJP from questioning the Mamata Banerjee government on why such an atmosphere of fear is now being created. They are now accusing the TMC government of bringing in these restrictions to create an atmosphere of panic and fear.
ये हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन राइट है धर्म पालन करना। ये रोक रहा है, इलीगल काम कर रहा है ममता जी का इशारा में पुलिस, इसलिए हाई कोर्ट का दर्जा खटखटाना पड़ रहा है। हर इशू में हाई कोर्ट में, सुप्रीम कोर्ट में जाना पड़ रहा है।
देखिए, रामनवमी शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से होनी चाहिए और ममता बनर्जी कोशिश कर रही है कि रामनवमी में टेंशन हो। कुछ दिन पहले ईद चल गया, ईद तो बहुत आराम से चला गया, कोई हिंदू जाके पत्थर नहीं मारा। लेकिन पिछली बार भी रामनवमी में पत्थर मारा गया था और इस बार भी आशंका जताई जा रही है कि रामनवमी के जुलूस के ऊपर पत्थर फेंका जाएगा। क्यों हर बार रामनवमी में पत्थर फेंका जाता है? इसका सवाल मैं ममता बनर्जी और बाकी सेकुलर लोगों से पूछना चाहता हूँ।
Now, on one side, you have the Mamata government imposing restrictions. On the other side, you have universities that are also imposing curbs on the festive celebrations. The Jadavpur University in Kolkata has now denied permission to organize celebrations for Ram Navami on campus. Let's get in a word from Pooja, who is joining us live right now. Pooja, are we expecting a showdown? Exactly what is the reason now being cited by the university to deny permission?
Well, absolutely. We saw yesterday how the university authorities held a meeting, and once the meeting was over, they decided that the Ram Navami celebrations will not be allowed on the university campus. And the reason, cited on that particular letter is quite vague. They say that at the time, there is no present vice chancellor in the university, and in absence of a vice chancellor, they cannot grant them permission. And they also said that in previous years, no such Ram Navami celebrations were held on campus, as a result of which they cannot grant permission. But now questions are being raised by the BJP, because we've seen how just a couple of days ago, the BJP state president and union minister, Dr. Sukanta Majumdar, he tweeted a video showing that there was an iftar celebration on the campus of Jadavpur University. Now, naturally, the BJP is questioning how iftar celebrations were allowed to be held on the Jadavpur University campus. But now, when a section of students moved university authorities seeking permission to celebrate Ram Navami on campus, they were denied, citing that presently there is no vice chancellor in the university, as a result of which permission cannot be granted to them.
So the students saying that the reasoning is vague if when it comes to the absence of the vice chancellor, that permission cannot be granted. Pooja, please continue to be with us, because this is not for the first time that Mamata Banerjee government has been accused of its anti-Hindu stand. In the past, Mamata has accused the BJP of forcing everyone to chant Jai Shri Ram and went on to call it as a BJP chant. Back in 2019, she was seen confronting people raising Jai Shri Ram chants as well. 7 people who were detained back in Bhadpadra for 2019 for chanting slogans near her convoy. And while the BJP repeatedly has cited these incidents to call Mamata and her government as anti-Hindu, her party, however, maintains it is only the BJP which is trying to disrupt communal harmony in the state.
सनातन धर्म का मूल्य है, अपना धर्म को पालन करो और दूसरा धर्म को भी श्रद्धा करो, भक्ति रखो। बंगाल एक ऐसा राज्य है जहाँ शांति है, जहाँ उन्नति है, जहाँ हर मजहब के आदमी, हर धर्म के आदमी एक साथ भाईचारा में रहते हैं। तो ये जगह को तोड़ने के लिए भाजपा, भारतीय जनता पार्टी और उनका लीडर वो लोग सोच रहे हैं कि ये तोड़ने से उनको अगर फायदा होगा, राजनीतिकरण के लिए उनको फायदा रहेगा।
Well, the Ram Navami showdown that is expected as far as in the state of West Bengal is concerned, with several areas permissions that have been granted, however, also being denied by the police and the authorities, citing security concerns. Pooja, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in with those updates. In the